what are the reasons why I should work with a Medicare agent? And I'm going to divide my answer into two parts. Number one, why should I work with a Medicare sales agent who works for a company versus an independent or a broker that works for a large entity like Health Markets and who brokers for a number of different carriers. So why should you work with a Medicare agent that works for Humana, United Healthcare, Alignment, Aetna, etc.? I wouldn't. um, they're there to sell you a policy, and then the company follows up. So if you have a problem, do you call your agent? Well, you could, and they may or may not call you back. They don't have necessarily an obligation to do that. They will more than likely have you contact the customer service department. But there's some agents that will, meet their commitment, but don't assume that they will. Most people don't even know the phone number of the agent that they spoke to. So let's go on to the second question, which what are the reasons why I should work with a Medicare broker? So this is somebody that works in the community that represents at least 5 companies, and has been doing this for a long time, probably 10 years. If you can find somebody like that, you've hit gold. This person can find your needs, so do a diagnostic of your needs, what, doctors, drugs, facilities, adjacent facilities, nearby facilities, family history, projected costs, if you've got a spouse, are they going to care for you if you become disabled? So you really get to know, I really get to know my client's whole situation, and we can pivot around problems that we can anticipate, such as, oops, we're going to have a couple of implants. Yeah, you're going to have a policy that's going to cover implants. So then we drill down, we find the implant policies. You need to find a good cardiologist that can do that valve replacement. Well, maybe we're going to go out to Cedars-Sinai or Mayo Clinic, or maybe we want to stay with our Medicare Advantage company and see which cardiologists are in network and are they truly pros. So working with a broker who is experienced and is willing to dive deep with you can save your life, honestly, because they can anticipate the needs and give you resources as you need them, as your relationship evolves. It's a trusting, long-term relationship that they will care for you. So that's the main answer: caring for you.